Yay, I have some happy mail from Globeland. I am so excited to unbox this package with you. It is perfectly timed. I am working on some happy mail projects, and I am so glad that these arrived in time because the items in this package are going to be sent in my creations. So let's see what we got this time. So GLOBELAND has reached out to me in the past, and I love working with them to show off some of their amazing products and create some gorgeous, fun things for you with them. So you won't be able to tell from what I'm about to show you what my plans are, because they are quite opposite of what I'm actually going to display here. The theme of them is different than the theme of what I'm going to create with. Although I am going to also create some school ones. So this here is a pen kit. I absolutely love this. Look at these gorgeous pieces here. How fun are these? And they make the cutest little pen toppers. If you wanted to create a gift for a teacher, this is perfect for that. And these are cute colors and everything. I'm very excited about those. So those are the decorative toppers. They also have rubber beads as well. So they are kind of probably like a silicone material. And you get a lot of those in here as well to create with. One thing I absolutely love is these sparkly spacers. And I also got some white ones, so that's fantastic. So as much as I love those, and I will make some pens with that, I'm not only going to make pens with that. I actually am really excited to make pens with these beads. I absolutely adore these beads. As you can see, here are some ones that I have received from them in the past. I have also done these pen kits before. So these are what I am going to use for creating some Halloween. Oh, I love them. Halloween themed pens for my Happy Mail pen pals as they all go rolling on the floor. Look at how sparkly they are. I'm going to show you actually one of the pens that I had made with a previous kit. I happen to have it right here. So this is gorgeous. I have so many of these that I've absolutely loved, and I use them all the time. The pens work great. I'm so excited to create with those. So these are very sparkly. They'll balance really well with the other beads that I have. I might pull in like a glossy sort of bead like this, or one of these subdued ones there. I'm going to definitely play around with the shapes and sizes and designs, but I'm so happy to have another set of 2, 4, 6, 8 pens to work with so that I can create some beautiful little gifts for my pen pals. Inside here we have some beautiful little charms. These are so great. So these, you can tell, are Halloween themed. You get 2 per package, and I will leave links down below. Or sorry, yeah, 2 per this kind of package. And then inside each package, we'll see how many you get. Wow, look at how adorable these are. I absolutely love these. Oh, they're so perfect. And they come on this really cool band. So you get 2 pumpkins, a hat, and a ghost. Oh, you get, like, they're sort of mixed around here. So how many ghosts do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ghosts, 2 hats, 3, 4 hats. Oh, and then the pumpkins, 2 pumpkins. Those are great. This package is the same. So I am well equipped with those. And then the last thing that I have from them is here. Oh, I just love these. I've had these before to create some amazing dangles. They turn out so beautiful. There's all these gorgeous different beads, the spacers, and the theme for this is supposed to be mermaid in particular, but I'm not sure if I will make them mermaid themed or not. I might. I do really love all of these colors. I was so inspired by a friend of mine that gave me one of these charms in Happy Mail that I had to seek out these kinds of dangle keychains because they just are so nice. So there you can see all of the beautiful bead choices. And just wait until you see what I make with those. So you get so many different styles here. You get the beads, and you also get these beautiful dangles where you can create those to hang off the bottom. And then we also get these charms and all these other little pieces. There's some jump rings. You want to see what's inside here. So if you like mermaids, they have all these beautiful sea themed and mermaid themed charms that can dangle amongst those, and then these beautiful spacers which add such a nice sparkle. I'm really excited to create with those. Those are going to be beautiful. And if you want to see an example of what I mean that I have made with these before, this is that bar that goes across there. And then you can add some beads to dangle. You can put in some charms. Like, this is just so much fun to create. And it adds a beautiful dangle off the side of my book. Here I've actually even just clipped it in as is with this, like that. That's the one that I have made, and I was inspired by a pen pal Happy Mail that she sent me. This is the one that came from my pen pal. You can see the silver dangle that she's created me, and it had this beautiful ribbon on it as well, and it's so cute off the side of my planner. So I'm so excited to be able to create more of these. And these, well, I have a perfect project actually coming up that I can put these on as well. I'm creating some beautiful Happy Mail things, and these are just going to be great to go inside. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave links down below if you're interested in picking up these beads, this pen kit, these charms, and these beautiful dangle packages here. All of that information will be listed down below, as well as a discount if you are interested in purchasing from Globeleland. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.